Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'm going to show you how can we refill a cartridge of laser printer, and at the same time I'll try to show you how to clean dust chamber of the cartridge. So let's get started. Nuraj is helping me print a paper. As you can see in the picture, due to insufficient ink, the letter T is not printed well. And now Nuraj is going to print with another cartridge and see the output. The paper became very dirty, and due to insufficient ink we can see the text is not printed well at all. The paper became very dirty due to the waste chamber is full of wasted ink, and the text is not printed well due to insufficient ink. Pin out from the both sides. You see, this is the cartridge I have printed first time, and notice on the magnetic roller here is also clearly shown that the ink is insufficient. Now pin out of the OPC drum. Here we will find the dust chamber. You see how much dust is expelling automatically, and rest of the dust I'll expel. Now I'm taking out the wiper blade. And here is the rest of the dust. Clean very well every part of the printer. I also powder out from the refill chamber because this powder is old, so I don't want to mix it with new powder. Here is our refill chamber. This is the way you can refill. Supposed to use gloves. Position them well. So this is how you can refill your cartridge, and must clean your waste chamber. You see how nicely the ink is touching the magnetic ruler. Now it should print very well. I'm assembling all the part I have disassembled. And now time to test. This time Nuras is also helping me print the paper. And this is the first print after refilling, and I hope after printing several papers it will give me more better output. I think this is better. So I hope you like my video. Take care everyone. Allah Hafiz.